Hi everyone, Hannah here. So we have some art junk journal kits listed in our store, and the two options are natural and eclectic. And these were some fun kits to put together for those of you that would like some paper, ephemera, paint, mica powder, different things like that for your junk journal projects. This is the natural kit. This is the textile fabric and fibers bundle. These are the papers that come in the kit for this selection. These are some jelly printed sheets with tea-dyed pages. This is the stamp, paint, stencil, and mica powder. This one is the eclectic kit. You can see lots of fun colors on this one, and you'll receive fibers, fabric. Those are some cute little fabric beetle appliques. These are some jelly printed pages. And this is the ephemera and journaling cards in this particular kit. These are the cardstock sticker sheets. And these kits are available on our website, danagirlsdesigns.com. Use code GRAND20 to save 20% off, and you can pick these up for $20 plus shipping.